Here we need to find the value of log 1 to the base 10. So what this means? This means that what raised to 10 gives us answer 1. So we know that anything to the power 0 gives us 1. So x will be equal to 0 as 10 raised to 0 will be equal to 1. So our answer is 0. So option B is correct. Here we need to find which statement is not true. Now log x plus log y equals to log xy. So we know that according to the property this is true, as there is addition we can multiply both the terms. Here again we have log x plus log y, but here we have the result log x plus y. So we know that obviously this is not true. So this statement is not true. Here log x minus log y equals to log x by y. Here there is minus sign, so we can divide the terms. Here log y to the base x equals to y raised to log x. We know that the power always comes here, so this is equal to this. So this statement is also true. So correct option, that means the wrong statement is B. Here we need to find which statement is correct. So first is log m raised to n equals to log m whole raised to n. We know that this power will come here, so the correct result will be in n log m. But here we are given log m raised to n, so this is not correct. Option B says that log b to the base a into log a to the base b is equal to 1. So if we use the change of base property, that is log b upon log a into log a upon log b, then these 4 terms will get cut and the answer will be 1. So this statement is correct. Now if we see the statement C, here it is given that log m into n equals to log m into log n. We know that if this is there, then the correct statement will be log m plus log n. So this statement is not correct. In D, we are given that log m minus n equals to log m minus log n. We know that if two logs are subtracted, then we need to divide the terms. So this statement is also not correct. So our correct option is B. Here we need to find the value of log a to the base b multiplied by log b to the base c multiplied by log c to the base a. So first we will use the change of base property. So we can write this as log a upon log b multiplied by log b upon log c multiplied by log c upon log a. Now we can see that all the terms will get cut here. So our answer will be 1. So option B is correct. Now here we need to simplify log x to the base e plus log 1 plus x to the base e. So we know that there is an addition sign, so we need to multiply the terms given. Therefore we can write this whole as log to the base e into bracket x multiplied by 1 plus x. If we simplify it, we get log to the base e x square plus x, which is equal to 0. Here we are given that it is equal to 0. So this whole is equal to 0. Therefore we know that if we write this in exponential form, we will get x square plus x equals to e raised to 0. Now anything raised to 0 is 1. Therefore x square plus x minus 1 will be equal to 0. So option A is correct. Now here we need to simplify log x square plus x minus log x plus 1 to the base 4 equals to 2, and we need to find the value of x. So here there is a minus sign, so we can divide these both terms. Therefore we can write this whole as log to the base 4 into bracket x square plus x, we can take x common, and into bracket 1 plus x upon x plus 1 is equal to 2. Now this both will get cut. Therefore we get log x to the base 4 equals to 2. Therefore x will be equal to 4 raised to 2, which is equal to 16. So the value of x we get is 16. So option D is correct. Now here we need to find the value of x in this equation. Log x to the base 8 plus log 1 by 6 to the base 8 equals to 1 by 3. Now here we can see the plus sign, so we'll multiply both the terms. Therefore we can write this whole as log to the base 8 into bracket x into 1 by 6, which will be equal to, here it is given 1 by 3, so which will be equal to 1 by 3. Therefore log to the base 8 x by 6 equals to 1 by 3. Therefore if we convert this in exponential form, we will get x by 6, which will be equal to 8 raised to 1 by 3. 8 will come here and 1 by 3 will be its power, so we will get 8 raised to 1 by 3, which is equal to 2, that is cube root 8. Therefore x by 6 equals to 2. Therefore x will be equal to 12. So option A is correct. Now here we need to find the value of 1 upon log 60 to the base 3 plus 1 upon log 60 to the base 4 plus 1 upon log 60 to the base 5. So here we will first use the change of base property. Therefore this whole can be written as 1 upon log 60 upon log 3 plus 1 upon log 60 upon log 4 plus 1 upon log 60 upon log 5. So this denominators of denominator will go in the numerator. Therefore we will get log 3 plus log 4 plus log 5. Here we have all the denominators as common, so no need for LCM, and we can write this as 1 time log 60. Now here we have plus signs, so we can multiply these 3 terms. Therefore we will get log 3 into 4 into 5 upon log 60, which will be equal to log 60 upon log 60, which will be equal to 1. Therefore option D is correct. Now here we need to find the value of x in log 125 to the base 10 plus log 8 to the base 10 equals to x. Here we can see the plus sign, so we can multiply this both terms. Therefore we can write this whole as log to the base 10 125 into 8 equals to x. Therefore log 10 to the base 10,000 equals to x. Therefore log 10 raised to 3,000 can be written as 10 raised to 3 log 10 raised to 3 to the base 10 equals to x. Therefore this will become 3 log 10 to the base 10 equals to x. Now log 10 to the base 10 will become 1. Therefore x will be equal to 3. So option B is correct. Now here we need to simplify. If log a plus log b equals to log a plus b, therefore here there is a plus sign, so we can multiply these two terms. Therefore we can say that log ab equals to log a plus b. Therefore ab equals to a plus b. Therefore a will be equal to b into a plus b. Therefore we can say that ab equals to a plus b. Therefore a plus b equals to ab. Therefore a equals to ab minus b. Therefore a will be equal to b, we will take common, a minus 1. Therefore b will be equal to a minus 1 upon a. So option C is correct. Now here we need to simplify. Log m by n plus log n by m equals to log into bracket m plus n. So here we can see the plus sign, so we can multiply this both terms. Therefore log m by n into n by m equals to log m plus n. Now this whole will become 1. Therefore we can say that m plus n equals to 1. So option A is correct. Here we need to find the value of log 4 to the base 3 into log 5 to the base 4 up to log 9 to the base 8. Therefore, we can use change of base property in each of the terms and then multiply them. So we can write this whole as log 4 upon log 3 multiplied by log 5 upon log 4 multiplied by log 9 upon log 8. Now we can see that this term, this, and this will get cut. So we are left with log 9 upon log 3, which will be equal to log 9. Now 9 can be written as 3 square upon log 3, which will be equal to, now this power will come here. So 2 log 3 upon log 3. Now this will become 1. So our answer is 2. So correct option is A. Now here we need to find the value of x in log x plus 1 plus log x minus 1 equals to log 3. Now we can see a plus sign, so we can multiply this both terms. Therefore we can write this whole as log x plus 1 whole into bracket x plus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to log 3. Therefore log x square minus 1 equals to log 3. Therefore we can write as x square minus 1 equals to 3. Therefore x square will be equal to 4. Therefore x will be equal to 2. We can write this as plus minus 2. We will get our answer as plus minus 2, but here in option we have 2. So correct option is B, that is 2. Here we need to find the value of x in log 8 upon log 2 equals to x. Now here we will use the inverse of change of base property. That is, we can write this whole as log 8 to the base 2 equals to x. Therefore we will convert now this in exponential form. Therefore 2 raised to x equals to 8. Now what raised to 2 is 8? It is 3. Therefore 2 raised to 3 equals to 8. Therefore x will be equal to 3. So option B is correct. Now here we need to find the value of x in log x to the base 32 equals to 0.8. Firstly, we will convert 0.8 into fraction. Therefore we can write 0.8 as log x to the base 32 equals to, we can write 0.8 as 4 by 5. Therefore now we will convert this whole in exponential form. Therefore 32 raised to 4 by 5 equals to x. Now 32 can be written as 2 raised to 5. Therefore 2 raised to 5 whole raised to 4 by 5 equals to x. Now this both powers will get multiplied and 5 will get cut. So therefore x equals to 2 raised to 4, which is equal to 16. Therefore again option B is correct. Now here we need to find the value of log 1000x to the base 10, and we are given the value of log x to the base 10, which is equal to 1.9675. Now we will first convert this, which is the value given, in exponential form. Therefore log x to the base 10 equals to 1.9675. Therefore x will be equal to 10 raised to 1.9675. Now we will put this value of x here in this. Therefore log to the base 10 into bracket 1000 can be written as 10 raised to 3. 10 raised to 3 multiplied by x, which is 10 raised to 1.9675, which will be equal to log to the base 10 into bracket 10 raised to 4.9675. Now here the powers will get added, so the power eventually will get is 4.9675. Now this power will come here and log 10 to the base 10 will become 1. So our final answer will be 4.9675. So option B is correct. Now here we need to find the value of log 0.3274, and we are given the value of mantissa of log 3274, which is 0.5150. Firstly, we know that 0.3274 lies between -1 to 0. Therefore, the value of its log will lie between. We'll apply log to all the three terms. The value of 0.3274 lies between -1 to 1. Therefore, the value of its log will lie between -1 to 0. Now here we are given the value of mantissa of log 3274. Therefore, the value of log 0.3274 will be equal to -1 plus 0.5150, or we can say that -1 minus 0.5150, which will be equal to -1.5150. Therefore, option C is correct. Here we need to find the value of log 10 1 degree into log 10 2 degree up to log 10 50 degree. Now we know that in between a value comes which is log 10 45 degree, which is equal to log 1, which will be equal to 0. So 0 is multiplied to all the remaining 49 terms. So our answer will be 0. Therefore, option C is correct. Here we need to find the characteristic of log 6.7432 into 10 raised to -5. Now this can be written as log 0.0006742. Here the decimal point came forward 5 places. Therefore, its characteristic will be -5. Therefore, option A is correct. Now here we need to find the value of log 10 to the base 2. We are given the value of log 2 to the base 10. Now log 10 to the base 2 can be written as log 10 upon log 2. We used here change of base property, that is we change the base from 2 to log 10 to the base 10, log 2 to the base 10. Now log 10 to the base 10 equals to 1 upon the log 2 to the base 10. Its value is given, that is 1 upon 0.3010. If we solve it, we'll get 3.3222. So option C is correct. So here we need to find the value of log 0.1 to the base 10 equals to -1. So we need to find the value of log 0.001. We know that 0.1 can be written as 10 raised to -2. 10 raised to -1. Therefore, the value of log 10 raised to -2 to the base 10, 10 raised to -1 to the base 10 is -1, as this becomes 1 and -1 power comes here. So log 0.001 can be written as 10 raised to -3 to the base 10. Now this whole will become 1 and the power will come here. So our answer is -3. So option D is correct. Now here we need to find the value of log A upon B minus C is equal to log B upon C minus equals to log C upon A minus B. So we need to find the value of A raised to A, B raised to B into C raised to C. Now let this whole be equal to X. Therefore, log A will be equal to B minus C into X. Log B will be equal to C minus A into X. And log C will be equal to A minus B into X. Now we will apply log to the value which we need to find, that is A raised to A, B raised to B and C raised to C. So this can be written as A log A plus B log B plus C log C, which will be equal to, now we have the values of log A, log B and log C. Therefore A into B minus C into X plus B into C minus A into X plus c into a minus b into x. Now if we simplify this whole equation, we will get our answer as 0, which is equal to log 1. So log a raised to a b raised to b c raised to c equals to log 1. Therefore a raised to a b raised to b c raised to c equals to 1. So option C is correct. Now here we need to find the value of 16 raised to log 4 log 5 to the base 4. Therefore 16 can be written as 4 square. Therefore we will get 4 raised to 2 log 4 5. Now this 2 will come in the power of 5. That is the inverse property. Therefore 4 raised to log 4 log to the base 4 5 square. Now we know that 4 raised to log 4 log to the base 4 is, it will get cut and our answer will be 5 square. So our answer is 25. So option C is correct. Here we need to find the value of this equation. We are given that log 5 to the base 5 into log 9 to the base 4 into log 2 to the base 3. So we will use here change of base property and we will convert this 9 and 4 into 3 and 2 so that they will get cut. Now this is 1 multiplied by, this can be written as log 9 can be written as 3 square, but the power will come here. So this is 2 log 3 upon log 4. Log 4 can be written as 2 square. So log 2 and square, so the power will come here. Multiplied by log 2 upon log 3. Now this will get cut. So our answer is 1. So option B is correct. Now we need to find that if log 7 to the base 2 is rational, irrational, an integer, or none of these. So if let log 7 to the base 2 be rational, therefore it will be in the form p by q. Therefore log 7 to the base 2 will be equal to p by q. Therefore 2 raised to p equals to 7 raised to q, which is incorrect as LHS is even and RHS is odd. Therefore log 7 to the base 2 is irrational. So option D is correct. Now here we need to find if we are given that log A, log P, log C are in AB, then ABC, what is the relation between A, B and C? Now as we know that log A, log B and log C are in AB, therefore the difference will be same. Therefore log A minus log B or log B minus log A will be equal to log C minus log B. Therefore log, here we have minus sign, so we can divide it. B by A equals to log C by B. Therefore we can say that B by A equals to C by B. Therefore B square equals to AC. Now as we can see that B is the geometric mean of A and C. Therefore A, B, C are in GP. Therefore option A is correct. Here we need to find the value of 1 upon log x to the base q by p plus 1 upon log x to the base q by r plus 1 upon log x to the base r by p. Now as they are in reciprocal, therefore we can write this as log to the base x p by q plus log to the base x q by r plus log to the base x r by p. As there is a plus sign, we can multiply the terms. Therefore log to the base x whole into bracket p by q into q by r into r by p. Now these terms will get cut. So we get our answer as log x1, which will be equal to 0. So option D is correct. Here we need to find the value of x in log x to the base 4 plus log x to the base 2 equals to 6. Now here we will use the change of base property, and we can write this whole as log x upon log 4 plus log x upon log 2 equals to 6. Now we know that 4 can be written as 2 square and the power will come here. Therefore this can be written as log x upon 2 log 2 plus log x upon log 2 is equal to 6. Therefore now we will take the LCM. Here we need to multiply 2 in denominator and numerator. Therefore we will get 3 log x equals to 2 log 2 will get multiplied here, 12 log 2. Therefore these numbers will come into the powers of these terms. Therefore we can say that log x cube equals to log 2 raised to 12. Therefore x cube equals to 2 raised to 12. Therefore x equals to 2 raised to 4, which is equal to 16. So option D is correct. Now here we need to find the value of 3 raised to minus 1 by 2 log 9 to the base 3. Now therefore this minus 1 by 2 will come into the power of 9. Therefore we can write this as 3 raised to log 1 upon root 9 to the base 3. Now this will get cut, so our answer is 1 by root 9, that is 3. So option C is correct. Now here we need to find the value of x in 10 raised to x equals to 1.73. We are given the value of log to 1730 to the base 10. Now we can write this exponential form to logarithmic form as x equals to log 1.73 to the base 10. Now here decimal point has come forward 1, 2, 3 points. Therefore x will be equal to 3 minus 3.2380, which will be equal to 0.2380. So the correct option is B.